Photoshop might be officially dead, Google just dropped Gemini Flash 2.5 and it's rewriting how we edit images forever. Instead of learning 100 tools in Photoshop, now you can just describe what you want. And boom, Flash 2.5 does it. Change faces, swap outfits, merge images, even create entire animations from a single character, while keeping everything consistent. Artists, designers, and even indie game devs are freaking out because this could save weeks of work. It's insanely fast, costs just a few cents per image, and yes, it even understands real-world places from Google Maps. But it's not perfect. Prompts sometimes get ignored, it's heavily censored, and character consistency still has that AI vibe. Plus, you can't sneak AI art into Steam without disclosure, because Google adds an invisible watermark called SynthID. Is this the end of Photoshop or just overhype? Comment below if you'd use Gemini Flash 2.5 for your projects, and subscribe for more rapid dev news.